How's it going, traders? Richard here, and welcome back to another quick trade update. Please note that all information in this video is provided for educational purposes only, and it's not an offer or recommendation to trade futures, stocks, options, or forex. Right, a bit earlier on, I traded the 6E, that's the Euro futures, set to a 1 minute time frame, and I used my pure pattern trader software, which automatically identified a little descending triangle for me with the validation, invalidation, as well as a target projection level. That was also confirmed by my scanner automatically, so I knew about the pattern. I didn't have to go search for that. And when I was happy with taking a short, placed a sell order a tick below the validation level, hoping for a quick retrace or retest of that area, but the market was moving pretty fast, so I did move my sell order a tick lower. Eventually got filled soon after. My ATM strategy placed two targets to the downside as well as a stop loss. That stop loss I moved a tick above the invalidation level. First target at a recent swing low, and my second target at a previous swing low a little bit further back in the history. Alright, so now I was into the trade. The distance from my entry to my first target was 8 ticks, and I was obviously hoping for that to get reached. Another pattern soon popped up afterwards. I again had a little bit of a retracement against my position, but eventually there was some follow through and my first target was filled, leaving me with one position left in the market. I then used a trade management technique where I then limited my risk on my remaining position, trading that a little bit to the downside, so even reducing my risk further. And then I calculated what I call a trade management level, which was at 12 ticks, and that would be 12 ticks from my entry to the downside. And you can see that candle already reached that, and that was the level that if price would reach it, where I would trail my remaining position to break even plus a tick in my favor, and then I would wait for that candle to hit that trade management level to close below the previous candle, and as if it did, I'll then aggressively trail my stop loss to the downside, actually a tick above such a candle would close below the previous one. So at the close of that candle, it did close below the previous candle, and I moved my stop a tick above it. So aggressively trailing down to the downside to lock in more profit. Right, and we can see on the next candle, price even continued lower, also closed below the previous candle, and I did the same thing. I trailed my stop to a tick above that candle's high, locking in another 11 ticks in profit, and soon after got stopped out. So I managed to book 8 ticks on that first target and 11 ticks on the second, for a total return of $118.75, obviously minus brokerage commission. But this was all made possible and identified automatically by my pure pattern trader software, which tracks 8 different patterns all automatically, as well as that market scanner that identifies these opportunities for you, so you don't have to be glued to your screen all day long. And if you enjoyed today's video, please like and subscribe, and visit the link in the description if you want to find out more about a pure pattern trader. Until next time, take care and goodbye.